In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit legend in Google Sheets. If you've ever built a chart in Google Sheets and looked for a way to add a title to the legend, you've probably noticed there isn't a built-in legend title option. The legend section lets you pick a position and change the font, but there's no box for a title. The good news is, there's a quick, clean workaround that takes just a few seconds and looks completely professional. Here's the idea. Instead of trying to force a title into the legend settings, you'll use the chart subtitle to double as a legend title. This gives you precise control over text, alignment, and font size, and it stays perfectly anchored to the chart, even if you move or resize it later. Open your charts editor and go to Chart and Axis Titles. From the drop-down, select Chart Subtitle. Type the text you want to use as your legend title. Something simple and descriptive that explains what the legend entries represent. Now adjust the alignment so it lines up with your legend. If your legend sits on the right, choose right alignment. If your legend is at the top, bottom, or left, match the alignment to that position instead. Then, make the subtitles font a bit smaller than your chart title and labels so it blends in visually with the legend and doesn't compete with the main title. That's it. On the chart, it will appear exactly like a proper legend title. Because it's a subtitle, it remains part of the chart object, so if you move or copy the chart, the legend title goes with it. It's simple, it's clean, and it saves you from manually adding text boxes that can drift out of place or get left behind. A few quick tips as you fine-tune the look. Keep the wording concise to avoid wrapping onto multiple lines. Choose a font style and color that matches your chart's theme for a polished, consistent appearance. If you later change the legend's position, remember to revisit the subtitle alignment so everything still lines up neatly. And if the subtitle looks too bold or prominent, just drop the font size one notch or slightly adjust the text color opacity so it sits comfortably next to the legend entries. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Using the chart subtitle as a legend title gives you a professional result without any extra tools. If you found this helpful, follow for more quick Google Sheets hacks.